Hello and welcome to our excellent YouTube channel. I'm Soh. In this episode, I'm going to share with you about the trading hours of the futures market in Malaysia. This is one of the most frequently asked questions by investors and traders. I'm going to cover the trading hours for the two most popular futures products in Malaysia, which are the FKLI index futures and FCPO commodity futures. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all the key information you need to know about the trading hours for the Malaysia futures market so that you have a clear and better understanding about the futures market and the trading hours in Malaysia. We have got some great contents coming up to help you improve your trading and investing knowledge and skills every week. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our informative updates. And thanks for tuning in. So let's get started. Here, I'm going to share with you the trading hours for the two most popular futures products in Malaysia that most traders trade. They are the FKLI, which is an index futures, and FCPO, which is a commodity futures. Both of the trading hours are not the same. In Malaysia futures market, we have three different trading sessions. There are morning session, afternoon session, and the night session. So let's have a clear look at the trading hours for both FKLI and FCPO. The morning session for FKLI starts from 8:45 a.m. until 12:45 p.m. where you can actually do your futures trading. While for FCPO, it starts a little bit later from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. The afternoon session for both FKLI and FCPO starts at the same time, which is 2:30 p.m., but they end at different time. For FKLI, the market ends at 5:15 p.m. You can trade from 2:30 until 5:15 for FKLI. And this 5:15 would be the closing time in the FKLI market. While for FCPO market, you can trade from 2:30 until 6 p.m. So the closing time for FCPO market ends at 6 p.m. The night trading session for FKLI, it is open from 9 p.m. until 2:30 midnight, where you can trade within these hours. While for the FCPO market, the night trading session starts from 9 p.m. You can trade FCPO until 11:30 p.m. So the key point here is that both FKLI and FCPO trading time are different, and you can trade them in three sessions: morning, afternoon, and night session. So you can take your time to familiarize with these two products trading hours. Now, let's have a detailed look at the crude palm oil futures, which is the FCPO's trading hours. After this, I will talk about the FKLI trading hours. As you may have already know that FCPO has three trading sessions: morning, afternoon, and night session. For morning session on Monday, it begins trading from 10:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. The opening price for Monday will be referring to 10:30 a.m. Then you may continue trading the afternoon session from 2:30 p.m. until 6 p.m. The closing price for Monday will be referring to 6 p.m. While for Monday night trading session, it starts from 9 p.m. and this 9 p.m. is considered as the next day's opening price, which is the Tuesday's opening price. So you can begin your Tuesday's trading starting from Monday night session 9 p.m. until 11:30 p.m. And then you can continue with the morning session 10:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. and later on the afternoon session 2:30 p.m. until 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. would be the closing price for Tuesday's trading session. All right, if you understand the mechanism for the opening price and closing price for Tuesday, then I believe you can understand the remaining days for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday easily. Uh, for Wednesday, the opening trading session starts from Tuesday's night session 9 p.m. until 11:30 p.m. Continuing with the next day 10:30 until 12:30, and then later on 2:30 until 6 p.m. So the opening price for Wednesday is uh, Tuesday's 9 p.m. and the closing price would be Wednesday 6 p.m. So same goes with Thursday. The Thursday opening price would actually starts from a Wednesday night session, and Thursday's closing price would be 6 p.m. Same goes for Friday as well. So one important thing you need to take note is that there is no night trading on Friday night. So now that you have already learned and understand the trading hours for FCPO, let's take a look at a quick example as a case study. Now, the example is this. What happens if Wednesday is a holiday? Well, it can be a festive holiday or even public holiday whereby the futures exchange is closed. Do you know what are the changes in the trading hours? Just have a quick thought about it. Well, it's very simple and easy to understand. All you need to do is remove all the trading hours that involves Wednesday. So here you can see once you remove all the trading hours that is related to Wednesday, the Tuesday trading would actually ends at 6 p.m. here. Well, for Wednesday, there will be no night trading also. In other words, this also means that the Thursday trading begins on Thursday morning session starting from 10:30 a.m. So this 10:30 a.m. will be the opening price for Thursday session. Now that you have already understand the trading hours, its mechanism for FCPO, for FKLI, the primary difference is the time itself. Same thing, FKLI has 3 trading sessions as well, morning, afternoon, and night session. Morning session, it begins at 8:45 a.m. You can trade it until 12:45 p.m. This follows with the afternoon session. Afternoon session begins at 2:30 p.m. until 5:15 p.m. And for night session, it begins at 9 p.m. until 2:30 midnight. The trading hour mechanism for FKLI is exactly the same as FCPO. How the opening and closing price are recorded are the same. You can follow this table color to see when is the opening and closing price for each and every day. One thing to highlight is that for Friday, there is no night trading session for FKLI. Just to summarize and simplify it, you can have a look at this simple table. Morning session, we have it from Monday to Friday. Afternoon session, we also have it from Monday to Friday. However, for night trading session, we have it from Monday to Thursday only. There will be no night trading session for both FKLI and FCPO. Now, some additional information for you to know before we end this video, which are the pre-opening and no cancellation phase. 30 minutes before opening of each session, we have this thing called the pre-opening phase, where you can actually enter your order, but nothing will be traded yet. In morning session, the pre-opening for FKLI starts from 8:15 until 8:45, which is the 30 minutes before the market starts at 8:45. The pre-opening session for FCPO starts from 10 o'clock until 10:30 a.m. Similarly, for the afternoon session, we also have 30 minutes pre-opening phase for both FKLI and FCPO. Both products starts from 2 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. And lastly, for night trading session, we also have the pre-opening phase for FKLI and FCPO. However, it is only 15 minutes pre-opening session from 8:45 p.m. until 9 p.m. So once again, pre-opening session, you can enter your order, but nothing will be traded yet. And one more thing, another concept you need to understand is that the 30 seconds of known cancellation phase before any session starts. For example, the 30 seconds before the market opens in FKLI morning session, meaning 30 seconds before 9 a.m., that is 8:44, 30 seconds is the non-cancellation phase. Any existing orders that you have cannot be modified or cancelled, but you can put in a new orders. And similarly, for afternoon and night 30 seconds before the session starts, there would be no cancellation phase as well. So throughout the whole video about the information I've shared with you today, when you look at this table, which is adapted from Bursa Malaysia website, I believe you have a better understanding about the trading session for futures market in Malaysia and how to read this table. So that's it. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you to better understand about the trading hours of futures market in Malaysia. If you find this video informative and useful to you, please share this video and give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, this is CY Song. Good luck and good trading.